Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss some other GK questions. Question number 1. Under which article every Indian citizen is given the right to health? Option A 15, option B 20, option C 21A, option D 21. The correct option is option D 21. Question number 2. A gram panchayat is divided into several smaller areas. These areas is called option A ward, option B town, option C village, option D none of this. The correct option is A ward. Question number 3. Town planning comes under part dash of the Indian Constitution. Option A 7, option B 9A, option C 9, option D 8. The correct option is option B 9A. Question number 4. There are provisions in the Constitution of India to ensure the independence of this. Option A Parliament, option B Citizens, option C Judiciary. Option D both A and B. The correct option is option C, Judiciary. Question number 5. Which of the following section of the IPC is related to LGBT? Option A 377, option B 376, option C 370, option D 351. The correct option is option A 377. Question number 6. Which of the following article cannot be null during a national emergency? Option A 20 and 21. Option B 19, 21. Option C 14, 18. Option D 29, 17. The correct option is option A 20 and 21. Question number 7. Right to privacy comes under the article. Option A 21, option B 19, option C 20, option D 17. The correct option is option A 21. Question number 8. Supreme Court is the guardian for option A center state disputes, option B directive principles, option C fundamental rights, option D preamble. The correct option is option C fundamental rights. Question number 9. The Constitutions of India is divided into dash chapters. Option A 21, option B 24, option C 23, option D 22. The correct option is option D 22. Question number 10. How many Indian Prime Minister died while in office? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 0, option D 3. The correct option is option D 3. Thank you.